Today, we are looking at the life of the former First Lady of the Republic of Kenya and a history because I know many of you have seen Mama Margaret Kenyatta, but many of you don't know where Mama Margaret Kenyatta comes from or our life history. Today, I want to give you the story of Mama Margaret Kenyatta and where she comes from and how she met with the former president Uhuru Kenyatta. That's what we're going to talk about today. The First Lady Mama Margaret Gakuo Kenyatta. Today we look especially love for mothers and babies. She was the fourth Kenyan First Lady and the second First Lady from the Kenyatta family, born as Margaret Gakuo on April 8, 1964. She was the daughter to Dr. Ephantus Jogona Gakuo, who worked in the development of Kenyan Railways and was the first African managing director of Kenya Railways after taking over from GPG Mackay in 1964. Also a lecturer, he taught for a year in Germany before returning with his doctorate degree and a German wife, Magdalena, the mother to Margaret and his brother, Maina Gakuo. Margaret lost her father in the year 2005. Margaret was an alumni of Kenyatta School, a St. Andrew's School in Molo, Turi and Kenyatta University. She has a simple but powerful personality whose skill and charisma are tagged as the secret ingredients for Uhuru's succession and Uhuru's success in politics. Uhuru and Margaret Kenyatta were high school friends who later became a couple in the year 1989. Now, Uhuru revealed he first met Margaret through her older brother Maina Gakuo. They later started off a relationship and finally got married in the year 1991 at Holy Family Basilica in Nairobi. Together, they have 3 children, Jomo, Muhoho, and Gina. They became grandparents a day before Uhuru's inauguration in the year 2017. Now, about our family. Jomo, the firstborn son to Mama Margaret Kenyatta, is married to Fiona Achiola Ngobi, the beautiful granddaughter of the late Luo political giant kingpin Dr. William Ndongo Mamo. She is of Luo, Kikuyu and Ugandan ancestry and works as an accountant at a local bank. He had his education at Hilton College and Michael House in KwaZulu Natal Midlands in South Africa. That is about Jomo. About Jaba Muhoho, who is the lastborn son to Uhuru Kenyatta and Margaret Kenyatta. He owns his own clothesline in major town in Africa. He has a very special fashion sense that helped him win the 2014 Showcase Design of the Year award in the Emerging Designer category. Gina has a degree in international relations and politics, but serves as the director of the Kenyatta Foundation. Margaret personally campaigns for a lesser child mortality rate in Kenya through her Beyond Zero campaign, which earned her the 2014 UN Person of the Year award. She has so far raised over 25 mobile clinics in Kenya. Her dedication is rooted in the pain of losing a second daughter immediately after childbirth 20 years ago. In 2014, she became the first African First Lady to complete a 42-kilometer race. She also makes a fashion statement, be it a formal, semi-formal, or informal occasion. The beautiful First Lady is always classy, and she has never suffered a wardrobe malfunction. She has been a sweetheart to many Kenyans until she departed from the seat as the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya in the year 2022. This is just a little biography of the life of Mama Margaret Gakuo, Mama Margaret Wanjiru Gakuo Kenyatta. Yeah. And mostly many people don't know why Mama Margaret Kenyatta was always campaigning on the Beyond Zero campaign. It's because she lost a second born daughter. Margaret and Uhuru Kenyatta were supposed to have 4 kids, but one of her daughters passed immediately after she was born. That's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.